let's talk about your insight on that type of, technology or construction tech that hopefully more developers will use. Are you exposing some of your clients to that if the challenge is going to be, while building costs are a little bit too much, but you see an opportunity and go and give them that option, right? To see if
Right.
that'll work and pencil for that project.
So I think there's different ways to do it, and there's even different applications, like depending on if you're at the TI phase of your project or if you're at the ground up phase of your project. So the developer I used to work for in Arizona is actually spearheading some student housing that's going with that. And I think, we're going to see it start in the institutional world and trickle down with the modular stuff. But I think we're kind of at that precipice there where it's starting to make sense. And it's because the construction costs are so high. I mean, we're already fighting land costs in California, and now we're fighting construction costs.
Right.
So it's definitely a viable solution in a lot of ways. And then kind of like on the TI tenant side, like, when you're going inside with your build, I think there's a lot of modular work that can be done, especially in the office world. Like the modular office stuff it's such a cheaper way to do it. And then a lot of people don't think about some of that stuff. You can depreciate it as like FF&E, right?
I see.
You know what I mean? Or I'm sorry, you don't depreciate it as FF&E, you depreciate it as construction.
That's
so you can get your investment back quicker.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. We're partnered with KTGY. I just had a call with them, and they actually in Irvine have a project they're working on, which is the taking office. They have a flex flats concept where they kind of already, as an architect, designed a way to take an office building and put the units more into the interior, and the common spaces will be, naturally storage or however way you want to play that, home office space, shared communal space, stuff like that. But they have a live project that they're doing in Irvine, which is super cool. And I'm waiting to see that project actually get built and topped out, because I think that will, sometimes developers actually need to see an actual project physically to go, well, okay, I'm now willing to do something like that or look for that. So
yeah, right. I mean, why do it if it's not prudent,
Yeah, exactly.